Okay, so now we have established our function and we can go back to what the question is asking for, which is how many seconds until the gum has reached a height of 18 inches for the ninth time. So to illustrate this, I'm going to draw the wheel over here and then draw inside it and then put the center right here. And then I'm going to draw the piece of gum right here at the bottom, just to show that this is where the gum begins, right on the ground as the wheel runs over the gum. And it's going to be going in this direction as the wheel continues to move forward and the gum sticks to the wheel. And I'm going to put 24 up here at the top because this is the height of the wheel as represented by the diameter, going all the way across the wheel, going through the center. So if the top here is 24, then this horizontal diameter here will be 12 because that is halfway up, because 0 is down here on the ground or at the bottom. And we're looking for the height of 18 inches. And 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. We've created a 90-degree angle just from these two diameters alone. And this means that if we cut this 90-degree angle in half where 18 lies, we have just created a 45-degree angle here. So we see that when the gum reaches this point, it will be at a height of 18 inches. But we also have to remember that this is a circle, so it's going to be coming back down, and the gum will also reach a height of 18 inches over here on the other side as well. Next, what we're going to do is to get to that ninth moment where the piece of gum reaches a height of 18 inches on the tire, we're just going to calculate the amount of seconds it takes for it to go from the ground to hitting 18 or a height of 18 inches the first time on the tire. And I'm going to replace f of x with 18. So this will be 18 equals negative 12 times cosine of 60 pi x plus 12. And we want to solve for x or get x by itself. So I'm going to subtract the 12 on the end from both sides. 18 minus 12 is 6. So now we have 6 equals negative 12 cosine of 60 pi x. Next, I'm going to divide both sides by the negative 12. 6 divided by negative 12 is the same as negative 1/2. So we'll have negative 1/2 equals the cosine of 60 pi x. Then to get rid of the cosine on the right side, because again, we're trying to get x by itself, so we're getting everything else away from it, I'm going to take the inverse of cosine on both sides. So then once that happens, this will be the inverse cosine of negative 1/2 equals 60 pi x. And then to get x totally by itself, I can divide both sides by 60 pi. So this will end up looking like x is equal to, and then in the numerator, we're going to have the inverse cosine of negative 1/2 divided by 60 pi. And then that will end up being equal to 0.64. So we're going to take the 8 seconds of the full revolutions, which hits 18 inches 8 times, plus that single ninth time of 0.64 seconds, And then our answer becomes 8.64 seconds. That is the amount of time it takes for the gum to reach 18 inches 9 times on the wheel, given that the wheel is 24 inches in diameter, going at 30 revolutions per minute.